Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I'm going to cook some of these Georgia smoked sausages up the Sunset Farm brand, and these are really good. We was up at Sam's Club the other day, and I had this young lady up there cutting them up and frying them and giving away samples, and I had a sample of one of them, so I knew right away we had to have some. And so we're going to use some of these egg noodles here, and we're going to use creamy basil Alfredo here, and we're going to make us up a meal. So let's pull a couple of these sausages out of here. Get them out here so we can cut them up. Okay, now I'm going to take my little Cuisinart paring knife here, and I wish I could slice all three of these at one time, so it would save a lot of trouble, or a lot of time. I don't see why I can't do them just like that. Of course, I could have got me out a bigger knife, and but I was planning on doing them different at the time, so we got to improvise, you know, and make changes in the middle of the stream. It's getting hard to hold them now. They're getting slippery down here toward the end. So, we'll just do these two here. Okay, now I got those sausages cut up, and we'll bring them over here to the FOODi DELUXE. Drop them right down in there. Spread them out a little bit. Okay, now we've got this 12-ounce bag of this wide egg noodles here from Mueller's. We'll put it right down the bottom of the pot. And sort of spread them out over everything. And now we're going to cover them up with water. Now, of course, we don't know exactly how much water, because you just want to cover the top of your noodles up. We're getting close. That's through these glasses. I'm going to measure this glass, see how much water it holds in a second, and tell you. Okay, now I put 3.5 glasses, a little over 3.5 glasses of water in here. So that's what we're going to go with. Okay, so now we're going to come over here and take our pressure lid, put on here, and make sure you match your arrows up Turn it clockwise until it stops. Take your valve back here. Take your valve back here, right here, and turn it to seal, not vent, but seal in position. Okay, now, next thing you want to do is come over here and turn on the power. Okay, and you make sure you turn over the pressure. You leave it on high. And so you come over here and you hit your time button. Okay, this on 10 we want to reduce it. So we're going to go down to 7 minutes. Alright, then you go hit start button. Now, as everybody knows, the lights will chase each other like that until they get ready to, until it gets pressurized and it starts cooking. So we'll have to wait and see how long that takes. I'm going to keep track of it so I can tell you exactly how long it is. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now while we're waiting for this little pin to pop up, which it's about to do any second now, if y'all can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people watching our videos. We sure do appreciate you watching our videos more than anything else. Watch more of our videos. And there's the button popped up. Now it took almost 15 minutes for that button to pop up because there's a lot in this pot. I measured it out a while ago, and besides the 12 ounces of noodles and those 3 sausages, there's about 6 cups of water in there. Now you can't go by just a measurement like that though, because you need to make sure that your noodles is covered. And so, you know, your sausages or noodles or whatever might be a different size. So anyway, you need to make sure that your noodles are completely covered, not way covered, you know, but just barely covered, and then you're good to go. And now it's going to chase each other around like this a little while longer till it builds up enough pressure in there, and then it'll start counting down, and we'll be back when it does. Okay, now it took about 4 minutes for it started counting down there. So now the only thing that's holding it back is another 6 minutes and 40 seconds, and we'll be ready to dig in and try something else with it. So we'll be back in a little over 6 minutes. Okay, now this has got less than 20 seconds to go on it, and then we're going to hit the quick release back there and see what we've got in this pot. I hope it's something good. We're down to 8, 7. Okay, it says it's done. We'll come back here and hit this valve here and turn it to vent. Okay, and there you have it. The pin just dropped down. Now I'm going to turn this thing so I can get a little bit better grip on it. I'm going to turn the lid counterclockwise, as you know. Lift it up and away from your face. Oh, that looks good down there. Let's see if I can get so you can see a little more here. Now, oh yeah, that looks great. Okay, now I got my colander here, and I'm going to take this pot of noodles and sausages out and just dump it right in there. Like that. Let me tell you folks, that pot's hot. Right, and then got this bowl here. Let me move the camera again. Got this bowl here. We're going to take this colander here and dump it right down in here. now we've got this creamy basil Alfredo. Let's see, I'll widen it a little bit. We'll dump right in there. Ooh, don't that look good? Try not to let none of it escape. I'm going to take a slotted spoon here. That's looking better and better. That looks good, don't it? Right now. Alright, now we're going to put some in this little bowl right here. Yeah, it looks good right there. Okay, I was going to work on this bowl tonight, I can tell you that right now. And now to top it off, got a little bit of good old Kraft Parmesan cheese right here. I'll tell you right now, that looks like a meal right there. So let's taste it and see how it is. Okay, now the boss tasted it and said that was really good, so it's going to be really eat up right now in a minute. So thanks for watching our video, and I hope you watch more of them and come back and see us real soon. And you ought to try this sometimes because it is really good. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Come back and see us real good. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye now.